Greetings and salutations, YouTube. ItsHadrian here. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting, where we go to various Goodwills and see what treasures we can find. And I'm super excited to take you guys in there with me. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls and vlogs, do not forget to subscribe, hit that little bell button for notifications. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into the store. I haven't been here in a while. We're approaching the Goodwill, and it is the moment of truth. Is that table still there? Is that table gone? I think it's gone because I don't see it in the window anymore. Drats. But I do see some cool furniture. Ooh. Look at all this gold stuff. These are pretty. They have like this gazebo looking thing too. How much is that? $300. Okay, look at this bar cart. $3.99? No. Oh my gosh, look at this peacock thing. $8. It's from Target. Oh my gosh, this looks like a Fendi peekaboo. Like intensely. There's this Michael Kors right here. I wonder how much this guy's going for. $25. Huh. Maybe if it wasn't like a natural fiber, it's like really, I don't know. We're going to skip out on that one. This looks almost like a Coach bag or something. See what it is. And it is a Therealreal. $30. Since when do they have Therealreal bags for $30? I do not know. Okay, anyway. Back onto other notes. Check it out. So, I guess they're having a sale on all the pillows. They're all just $3, $2.99 each. I'm stocking up on more of these bird ones because I think they're really, really cute. And then so I got this plain blue. This other one has a blue and a white side because color. Like look at how like, that all just like goes together, right? Like okay, so the trick is if you want to like create a cohesive kind of color story, get the most colorful pillow that you have and then just pick colors from there. Just make sure the colors are from that. And I found this giant furry bag. I think this is actually from Urban Outfitters. And then right here we have a B. Mikowski. Some of the color is like rubbing off a little bit, but honestly it's not that bad. And it's gonna happen regardless to that type of like fabric that they use. There's this dry pack thing for the pool, which I think is really cool. Then a hobo bag. Look at that table. Let's see what they have. That is an interesting pillow. I kind of like. Okay, too much color inconsistencies for that, but this is really pretty. It's a threshold pillow, but it's a mint green. I don't have anything that's mint green. Found another one of these blue ones. This might be a yes. Look, if they have one of these ladder bookcases, which is pretty cool. Little Tykes thing. Oh, check it out. I found these Kipling bags. They're like literally just hanging right there. And there's two of them. And they both have the monkeys on them, so sold. Now let's look at the tables and furniture and stuff. Check it out, you guys. There's this the North Face bag. It's like separating though, which is weird, and there's like a hole right there, so we're gonna 86 that one. But let's look at the rest of this furniture. They have so much stuff, you guys. It's crazy. The artwork is kind of cool. Oh, I wish these cushions matched. This one's actually a pretty cool one. This is kind of cool. How much is this guy? Wait, $15? That's not horrible. This is kind of chic too, but there's like a stain on it. I think it's also from Target. Leather chair. I have enough leather chairs, but I really want to take a look. You guys, it's a recliner. so I can't like check underneath to see what it is. Look at that scooter. It looks vintage for sure. Here's another scooter, a pink radio flyer. Check it out. I think this is Anthropologie. Yep, $1.99. Doesn't look bad. This apple bowl is kind of cool. So is this corn one. Check out this cool like shell thing. $4.99. It's from HLN Feathers. Ooh, blue stuff. Yes. Ooh, Opal House. Ooh, this platter. What's this? Has a fish on it. Let's take a look. But this is kind of cool too. It looks really heavy. Okay, we'll look at that in a second, but I really wanted to see this fish thing. $3.99. Not bad. These are from can't read. Salute. Oh, this is pretty nice too. Seattle Inspirado, $6.99. Check it out, you guys. I just found this really cool Anthropologie plate. How fun is that? And also, this really cute cat. So fun. Shut the front door. Oh, it looks so damaged. This is really pretty. Okay, we're gonna have to say no to that. 99 cents. BIA. Bia. I'm looking for more of those Anthropologie plates to see if there's any other ones. Oh, this platter was kind of nice. Pure one. Yeah. Blue and white. Kellogg's Rice Krispies. Cake stand. Oh, is this Pyrex? Oh, 2 Pyrexes. $4.99. I think you guys are gonna be mad if I don't buy these. Oh, there's also this one, but it's like damaged. These leaf plates are so cute. They're from Target. I wish there were 6, or at least 6, but like 8. That'd be so cool. Use them for fall. Oh my gosh, these are those Anthropologie plates that I found last time. No way. Okay, 1 Anthropologie plate, 2, 3, 4. Look at how pretty this is. Sometimes I'm aware of buying things I don't know what I'm from. You know how like back in the day there was like all those things with like things having lead and stuff, so I'm always like, ooh, I don't know. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? These have to be like Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel or West Elm. Oh, West Elm, nice. What are these? Regal? It looks like Bob's and Bob's Burgers. This is so cool. Alright, you guys, I don't know exactly what this is for. Is it tortillas? Pancakes? I don't know. $4.99. It's from Crate and Barrel. I like the color. It's yellow. Alright, well, oh, how cool are these? Like all the cool like cities and stuff. World Market. Okay, so since we already found so much Anthropologie, you know, why not? Maybe we'll find some more, right? You gotta always be positive, I think, when you're searching for treasures at the Goodwill, because you never know what you're gonna find. And you can never really expect to find anything, but then if you do, you know, it's like magic. This is interesting, but it's like melted on the side. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this. I saw this from the corner of my eye. I always see these toilet mugs everywhere. They're so hilarious. The bottom, limited, time quality product. How funny. I hope you guys are proud of me for getting that Pyrex, by the way. One of them has a lid. I wish they both had lids, but I mean, Beggars can't be choosers. Thrifters can't be choosers. There you go. That's better than that. Thrifters can't be choosers. Oh my gosh. Eat more whole foods. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. I wish I just... Now I want to start like just a funny mug collection. Is that too much? Just mugs I think are hilarious. I'm living it up for all this Halloween stuff right now. This is so cute. I know like not all of it's Halloween. Oh, remember I thrifted a Pottery Barn one like this? But check it out, I think these are Princess House. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of these. I'm gonna have to check on them though. I think they are, but they might not be. And I found this cool stool. There's a little color transfer on the top, but I want to put it outside. It's only like $6.99. We got a Koji snow cone maker up there. Got some Call of Duty mugs. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's so much cool stuff right here. What is this? It's like a mister? Oh, it's for soap. $4.99. Oh, that's kind of cute. That's a maybe. This is like kind of nice. So I'm looking through all this stuff right here, seeing if oh my gosh, that cat. That's so cute. I wish it wasn't chipped. I might actually get it. But looking through like the vases and like other tchotchkes right here. Oh, blue and white. I wish it had the little lid. I'm looking for bigger ones though. I have a lot of the smaller things that are blue and white. Check this out. It almost looks like the Anthropology ones. But, okay, I've been like trying to get to this tiger for like 8 years. But there was like someone that was standing over here for the longest time and I was like, don't touch the tiger, please don't touch the tiger. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's even better than I thought it was. I'm dying, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, sold. Check it out, I was looking through the shoes and I found these red Valentino heels. You know what? Oh, look at that though. I don't know how I feel about that. But the rest of it just needs like a little dye and it'll be good. They're $4.99, 37.5. Alright you guys, I just got everything inside the car. Awesome trip. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications so you'll be notified tomorrow when the video for the haul does go up. And I hope you guys had fun. Again, don't forget to check out today's vlog. It goes up at 2 and I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye. Alright you guys, I just found these Prada shoes. They're like so old manish that they're totally right up my alley. They're almost similar to the ones I'm currently wearing. Oh my gosh. They're so rectangular on the end. But I kind of like them. But they're kind of like definitely small. Sorry, the lens cap is like... I think they're